Hi guys, good morning. How is your study going on? In my previous videos, already I have explained you the basic concepts of quadratic equations. So, till yet, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it to get your concepts. So, today we will discuss about the exercise 4.1. Now, moving on to the exercise, question number 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. So now x plus 1 square beta I. So before going to know about the quadratic equation, just I am recalling it. Quadratic equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0, a comma b comma c belongs to set of real numbers. This already we know in the concept part. If you have not visited, not watched that video, then watch it first. Now we will come to beta I, that is given x plus 1 square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. That implies x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. Now side change, sign change, 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0, equaling to 0. So now plus 2x minus 2x cancelled. That implies x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Now the question whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Then there may be question in your mind. It is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. How it is a quadratic equation? So now here I can write x square plus 7 is equal to x square plus 0 into x plus 7. So here b is equal to 0. So we already have explained a cannot be 0. B can be 0. So this is in the form of quadratic equation. Now move on to bit 2. Move on to bit 2. What is bit 2 given? Bit double I. So x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. That implies x square minus 2x is equal to minus 6 plus 2x. Minus 6 plus 2x. That implies x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. That implies x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is, it is in the form of, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Thus, it is a quadratic. It is in the form of a quadratic equation. So, it is in the form of a quadratic equation. It is reduced to the quadratic form. X square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now move on to bit 3. Bit 3. What is given? X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now here move on to one side, x square. Now this is minus x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now x square minus x minus 2 minus x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. That implies, now see whether in cancellation, yes, minus x square cancelled. So here we are getting minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. We are getting minus 3x. Yes, we are getting minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, is it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c? No. No, it is not. It is not in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 0. But already we have told a cannot be 0. Hence, it is not. It is not in quadratic form. Not in quadratic equation form. Not in quadratic equation form. Now we will move on to bit 4. Move on to bit 4. So let us see bit 4. Move on to bit 4. What is given in bit 4? X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. So that implies 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now that implies 2x square minus 5x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. Side change, sign change rule. That implies x square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here it is in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Hence, it is a quadratic equation. So, initially it is not given in the quadratic form. We have reduced it into the quadratic form. Details of it is explained in the conceptual part of quadratic equation. Don't forget to view that video. You can get the detailed idea. So, we will move on to bit 5. Bit 5. Given 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. That implies 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 is equal to x square minus x plus 5x minus 5. X square minus x plus 5x minus 5. That implies 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Now side change, sign change. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we are getting 2x square minus x square minus 7x minus 4x minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0 is in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Hence, it is in the form of quadratic form. Quadratic equation form. Equation is quadratic and the equation is quadratic. Now move on to the next bit. Bit 6. Bit 6. Let us see. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Now that implies x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. That implies x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. That implies x square cancelled. So we are getting 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 0. Hence, it is not in quadratic equation form. Quadratic equation form. We know a cannot be 0, b can be 0, c can be 0, but a cannot be 0. You know about this in the chapter of polynomial. So now move on to bit 7. So let us bit 5. I'm removing it. Bit 7. Given here x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1, x plus 2 whole cube. That implies a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. So we are writing x cube plus 3a square b. So 6x square 3a square b, 6x square plus 3ab square 12x plus 8 is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. 2x cube minus 2x. That implies x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. So now that implies here minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Plus 8 is equal to 0. Or we can write by taking it making x cube positive. We can write that implies x cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0. Taking to the right side also we can write this. So here highest degree is 3. So it is not quadratic, it is cubic. So it is not in the form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Thus, it is not a quadratic equation. Now move on to the last bit 8. So now x cube, that implies bit 8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. That implies x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube. Minus is there. So it is plus minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 6x square minus 3ab square. Minus is there. Minus 3ab square. Now plus 12x minus 8. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus, here minus there, so minus b cube. So that implies your x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus x cube plus 6x square minus 12x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now x cube cancelled. What are we getting in x square? 6x square minus 4x square, getting 2x square. Now minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. It is in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Hence it is in quadratic form. It is in quadratic equation form. Quadratic equation formula. Now pause the video and note it down before moving to question number 2.